Now we're going to figure pipe the body. You just want to use a large round tip for this. I'm using tip 2A. Tip 12 works great as well. So I'm going to hold my bag at a 45-degree angle and start down here and let it build up. There's his body. And then we're going to give him a head. We're going to pipe a beak and some eyes on there in just a minute. And if you decide you want his body to be a little bigger, you can just go back and fill it in. Figure piping is really easy. You just can't be afraid to squeeze the bag. So there's our turkey body. And we're going to give him a beak and some eyes and some little feet, which would be coming out from under his body. Doesn't require a whole lot of precision. There we go. Next, we're going to give this little guy some eyes. You can do this using tip 3 or 4. Try and get them sort of even. And then you can swap back to your brown that you used for the legs. A little dot on top. Then we're going to give him a beak. This is tip 352. Now we're almost done with our little turkey. But his eyes are kind of pointy from these little dots that we put on there. So we've given it a couple of minutes to crust. We're just gonna pat those little points down because pointy eyes might look kind of scary. So there we go. Now we're ready to put a border on here. So what we're going to do is spatula stripe our bag with a triple spatula stripe and a star tip. We have tip 32 on here. It's a large star tip. And we're going to put 3 different colors into our bag. There's orange, and red. Now you'll notice with each of these colors, what I'm doing is shaping the icing into a tube shape before I stick my spatula into the bag. That way I'm able to get a nice clean line of each. So I can drop it in there, and now we have 3 evenly spaced colors. You'll want to test your bag because see, originally we started getting all orange, so we want to see what it's going to look like. Now it looks like we've got mostly orange with some red and some yellow. So we're going to position this at the bottom. And just do stars. You squeeze, stop squeezing, and then pull away. And then you get a nice little tricolored starburst. And our turkey cake is done.